Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Okay. Let's wait for a couple of minutes so others can join. Then we'll start off with this. And by the time we'll start fixing two things.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. And where is your submissions?
Sir,
Where is your submission?
so did we have to mail it?
Of course. Do I have to say this thing every week?
Sorry, sir. Sir, I can mail it now only.
Like you know, right? Every week there is a submission. So
Sir, sorry, sir. We forgot.
okay.
So do we mail it?
Mail it, mail it.
Yes.
Just making everything a little flat and hard.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Submission का है?
सर अभी करता हूँ सर। सर मेरा ब्लॉकिंग हो गया सर, एक बार देख लेंगे आप?
तो हम फाइल भेजोगे तब तो देखूंगा तो।
यस सर, आई हैव मेल्ड इट टू यू सर।
ओके।
सर आपने वो सर वो उस दिन का वो वीडियो सर आपने डाला नहीं अभी तक।
अब वो अब मैं कन्वर्ट कर रहा हूँ बस आज अपलोड कर दूंगा मैं।
यस सर, बिकॉज सर वो मैंने फिर से एक्चुअली ब्लॉकिंग किया था, बिकॉज लास्ट टाइम का जो ब्लॉकिंग था राइट सर, उसमें एरर आया था थोड़ा।
ओके।
So I redid the blocking and did some fine tuning on the leg and the chest portion.
ओके।
सर अभी वो डायनामिक्स आपने जिस तरीके से किया था लाइक by projection method, I just wanted to see what all options you used. So after that I can dynamics and start masking and adding details on the body.
ओके।
So, but my doubt is, when do I export the model to 3ds Max and make the uh, additional armor and that pant and all that?
When your blocking is ready.
So, but when do I know my blocking is ready? Because the model itself has, like on the top region and the hand portion, right? There is not much armor on the model. It's like very much exposed. So a lot of details are there on the front portion and the back portion of my character, like the rib cage and the spinal cord. They're very exposed. So do I make that after making all the other additional things in 3ds Max?
Yes, like blocking is just the basic volume. Blocking don't have any detail.
Okay, so after making all that in 3ds Max, then I just blend my that thing with the body in ZBrush.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Okay. So then can you check while checking, like if it is ready to do, or if I'm ready to do that process yet or not,
Okay.
or any changes to be made?
Right. Check that.
And also, sir, my model has a closed eye proportion. So is there any easier method to do that, or do we have to manually close it up and like fill it up or anything?
Yeah, like you have to like close the eye, so you have to pull the eyelid down and close it.
Okay.
You know, like in sculpting, there is no shortcuts.
Okay, sir.
And ZBrush is something like if you learn it properly and work on this thing properly, it's not just only about organic. It's like if you learn it properly and know how to create a good quality high poly, you will go long way, because entire gaming industry depends upon ZBrush. For each and every small part, we create a high poly.
Yes, sir.
So there is no other way around. Like you're thinking, okay, I'll somehow manage. No, we won't be able to manage, but that is the process, right? It's standard process. So standard process is something you cannot change or modify. So the sculpting you have to do no matter what, because you know, like if you like suppose you don't know Max or Maya properly, Substance also very nicely, or you just know the basics, but you know very good ZBrush, you will still get a very decent job, because there are a lot of scope for ZBrush sculptors. You can see there are a lot of like a sculpting job is available, like MPC and like your game, especially gaming industry, they have a like specialized artists. They are very good sculptors.
Yes, sir.
So it's like this is one software that gives you like extra edge over other people. So this is something you have to learn it no matter what. Like until unless you don't want to pursue career in gaming, then it's different entirely.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Submission का है?
Sir, आज करते हैं.
तुम्हारा आज कभी नहीं आता है. Every module same thing, you never submit.
Sir, I'll submit it today.
तो एवरीडे तुम यही बोलती हो, कभी भी सबमिट नहीं आता है, वो सबमिशन आता नहीं है. I checked my mail. मेरे को हार्डली तुमसे एक या दो मेल मिला होगा और बाकी को कभी सबमिशन नहीं मिला.
Sir, sorry, sir. I'll do it today. No excuses, sir.
Okay, because it's not for me. You understand? Like तुमने
Yeah.
सबमिशन नहीं किया, मेरा कुछ नहीं जाता है.
Yes, sir.
लेकिन thing is, it's like until unless I see the file, I really can't help you out.
Yes, sir.
I'm just simply making all the surface little hard because still it looks little soft and rounded. Now edges I have to define.
Sir, we polish it first by damp standard and then trim dynamic, right?
Depends like what you are trying to create. Like trim dynamics basically flatten the surface. So if you want to flat something, you can use trim dynamics. You can use edge polish, flatten. There's so many brushes are there.
Sir, edge polish.
Like edge polish is there. If you press edge polish, it's kind of flat only. It basically like for flattening, there's multiple brushes are there. So you can like use any one of them. So like I prefer trim dynamics. That's why I use trim dynamics. If you want to use flat brush, there's a flat brush also. You can see flatten. You can use this also. End of the day, result like output matters.
Okay, sir.
So personally, I prefer trim dynamics. I have better control over that. That's why I use this.
Okay, sir. सर फिर इसको स्मूथ नहीं कर सकते ना पर
स्मूथ कर सकते हैं, कुछ नहीं होगा, एजेस वो वैसा ही रहेगा.
Sir, we created this armor pieces by masking it from the character, right?
Yes, masking and extracting.
Sir, but after doing that, if can I be doing the edge creasing process on it?
Yes, that's what I'm doing right now.
No, sir. Like in Z modeler, right? We use Z
Yes.
modeler and initial shapes to create the edge crease and everything manually. Just click and
Yes,
make it.
yes. So for that, you need all the poly groups. So if I want, I can crease this entire border.
Okay.
Like at the end of the day, it's a polygon. So you can like using Z modeler, you can modify things. That is something what I prefer to do it. That makes my life way easy. I don't have to go to like Max again and again and create those shapes and bring it again. No. Yes, I follow that technique for detailing. Like suppose I have this armor, and this armor suppose have some design or some pattern. So in that case, instead, like, and suppose I have an alpha for that. So instead of like creating that thing manually in ZBrush, what I'll do, I'll push it to Max or Maya, unwrap the model, place the texture, I'll the texture there and check like everything looks nice, and bring it back that model back to ZBrush, and I use that alpha for generating a texture. Like I'll use it in surface or displacement and extract it. So like I used follow that process. For that purpose, I'll push it to like 3D software. Otherwise, I'll do everything in ZBrush only.
So, but one more thought, even if I give edge creasing using Z modeler while sculpting like this on the other part of the surfaces, will that affect those regions or will it be the same?
It will affect, because you are sculpting, so there is no holding back. Suppose I want to keep the edges there only, I don't want to move it or touch it. So I have to, there is polygroups, right? So I can just simply hide that polygroup or hide this thing or work on it.
Okay.
So like suppose right now I have hidden this thing. So I want to make this thing, I can push it like this really quickly.
Oh.
Anyways, this inside part is not visible, that's useless. So I can hide it and it will give me little really sharp edge.
Sharp edge, yes, sir.
So that is something I don't prefer. So okay. So this one have like this one have a hole, and this one also have a hole here. So to open the reference, so how do I create those things? You can see here clearly there is a hole and there is one more hole. So to create that, so I select this one, isolate. So I need to create that hole here. So to create this thing, it's pretty simple. Again, same process. I'll use a mask and create that round ovalish shape. And see, only these two parts are selected. I can just simply extract it now. Except deselect two of them. So I would technically, I don't need these two. I need only one of them. So what I'll do is I'll go to polygroup and auto polygroup. So these two are separate. Hide anyone. And this one I need to extract. So center, alt, rotate the direction. Alt, rotate, like match the angle, and then let's see.
सर हम फेस सिलेक्ट नहीं कर सकते क्या?
नहीं, ZBrush में फेस मोड नहीं है. Only these two isolated. Select my base, remove that selection. Now select this one. So it's creating this intersection. Now I need to create a hole. So how do I do it? First, make sure to use Boolean. You have to remove any subdivision. So I can like 1 or maybe 2, 3. Let's keep, and then delete both the things because this is a high poly, so I can do it whenever I want. Now this one, select your model, go to live Boolean, switch on this thing, and only these two are on. So This is your basically everything is visible, and this is basically subtract union. So it's just a preview. So see, it creates a hole here. So now I feel this thing is way too big, and I can modify this thing in real time. Select this one, W. I can see the width is too much, reduce it. If I want to change the shape or something, BMB, I can do everything. It's just a preview. Nothing, still nothing is Boolean. It's just a preview. So I can modify this shape.
So won't it be better if we remesh the smaller, like the whole structure before Boolean?
Yes, we can do that, or after Boolean also I can do remesh. Both works. End of the day, this is my final model. That part is just a selection, just to like we have this Boolean in Max and all, right? Just to Boolean that section, I need a hole. So just to create the hole, I'm using that shape. There is no other function for that thing. So once I create the basic structure and I'm kind of happy with the shape, it should be a little more rounded. So this, I can see this thing. Now just go to Boolean under subtool and click on make Boolean mesh. Click it. Now it will do something, and yeah, working. You can see nothing changed here because it creates a separate tool here, separate tool. So now this model is not required. Delete this one. And this base also not required. Delete this one. Append, and you can see it here. Import, it will come exactly same position.
So we just have to click on the append, like the tool there.
Yes. So now I have this model, and it's now it's a geometry.
Sir, one doubt.
Hmm.
Sir, if सर अभी इसमें अलग अलग पॉली ग्रुप है ना सर, तो अभी मेरे को कोई पोर्शन डिलीट करना है, आई डोंट वांट दैट पोर्शन over there. So I clicked on that particular poly group, made it separate, and I deleted that portion. तो अभी उधर बड़ा gap है.
Okay.
And if I want to close that gap, how do I do that?
Either I can use bridge or I can use Dynamesh.
Sir, bridge कैसा काम करती है? Because I tried doing it and it was showing some kind of error on the top corner message में दिखा रहा था कि error आ रहा है करके.
So maybe bridge का topology में गड़बड़ होगा कुछ. That's why. So suppose I have just append a cylinder here. Cylinder, Control Shift Alt. I'll just hide this section. Go to geometry, modify topology, delete. So now it's two separate parts and there's a hole, right? So I want to bridge it. So I'll go to Z modeler, edge mode, space bar. There's some bridge, two holes, not the edge, two holes. Because I want to fill these two. So first click on the one edge and then click on the other edge. Done.
Sir, ऐसा fill नहीं sir, like the other way around, like filling up the top portion of it, not connecting both.
Not connected, just to okay.
Yeah, fill the hole on the bottom portion.
Close hole from geometry, modify topology, close hole.
Oh, okay. So it will work on any shape, like any.
Work on any shape. But depending upon the position of the model, sometimes like angles are different, or maybe the part you want to don't want to connect, they are really close, so it might close that section. So easiest thing will be separate to both the parts and then close hole.
Okay, sir.
So now I have
Sir,
this.
I did not understand आप अभी जब just to बोले.
Okay, suppose like I have append this thing. So abhi agar suppose I have hide this thing. So This is like these two parts are really close. So, if I delete this one, delete it. So here too they have decent amount of space because of the scale of the model. If I click close hole, it will close this hole. But these two parts are really close. It might close this gap instead of closing this one.
Okay.
So in that case, the easiest process is separate them. Keep them two polygroup, Control W, control two separate polygroups, separate the model, then cap it.
Okay.
It will work without any problem.
So split करके.
Split करके.
Sir, how do we split it, from the split option or the polygroup menu?
Split option.
Okay.
Group split.
और sir एक और doubt था. Like when we are using polygroups, so when if I have to work on a single polygroup, how do I like delete the other parts, or should I just keep, like if I want to work on two polygroups at the same time, then how do I keep two?
Control Shift, click on the first polygroup, click on again, and suppose I want to work on this also. Click it again. Both are hidden. Control Shift, hold Control Shift, drag left mouse button, drag outside. It will invert the selection.
Okay. So what was the shortcut again, sir?
Control Shift and click. Okay, let's see. Now, like I don't need this green, this blue, all these things are like really messy. So easiest thing will be, what I'll do is I just hide this red, and this green also I want to keep, and rest everything can be same. But if I want to make it really clean and nice shape, I can do it, or Control W, it will become one polygroup, Control Shift outside. So now I have only two polygroups, three polygroups, 1, 2, and 3. So I can modify the polygroups also. So my basic structure, this thing is ready, and solo. So I got this whole, and okay, now it have like nice shape. So BSH snake hook, because snake hook gives you like really sharp edges to, like you can pull really sharp edges with less distortion. Little more rounded. Now I have a part coming out like this. Just go slightly inside, pointing, slightly outside. Use the brush, push it slightly inside. So front side, I have created this thing. So that means if front is like this, back side is not visible. So I'll try to create this kind of similar kind of shape, back side also. That's a like design thing, because if front is like this, back side will also be something similar. So I'll create this thing.
Sir, there's this space on my model that I made. तो उसमें फ्रंट में तो दोनों साइड z एक्सिस पे सिमेट्री है, बट बैक उसमें सेम नहीं आया. तो how do I symmetry it on the back side, like all the details I've made on the front?
So you can use z and x symmetry together.
Yes sir, पर बन चुका है तो उसके बाद like should I just trim half the model?
Rotate the model and symmetry the model. Like you can see mirror option is there. Here also you have mirror, and here also you have mirror option. Then you have to mirror.
सर पीछे है बट सारी डिटेल्स पीछे नहीं आई है, तो should I like cut the object in half and then mirror it?
No, you could just simply mirror it. It will work. Like, but make sure it always mirror left to right, not right to left. So if your model, suppose your model, okay, I'll just.
Sir, it's symmetrical on both sides, so that will not be a problem, I guess.
Okay, so then left, no, symmetric model, that doesn't matter. It will always create left to right symmetry. So if you want front side and the back side, you have to rotate the model 90 degree, then mirror it.
Okay, sir.
Then it will work. Okay, now this part. Okay, so let's work on this. B, sorry, I press B. B, D, S. This denture I have to create. So here I can see there's one more set of teeth here. So that is also have to create. So easiest process will be I can just simply mask it. So Control D one more time. This decent amount of polygons. Brush size. Create this. Extract. So most of the parts, like try to keep them separate. Deselect. Clay buildup. Also smooth this thing slightly. BTS stamp standard. There's a gum-like shape. Build up and make them slightly round. This part is not visible anyways, so I can just Control Shift Alt together, hide it like this, or I can just simply trim it. So select the trim brush, Control Shift, trim it. But you can see nothing happened. Reason, it has subdivisions. Delete subdivision, gone. Similarly for this part also, I believe it's like that. It's kind of fine. Damn standard. Build up. Add little volume. Make them little round. Like gum shape. Much better now. So like this, I can create all this thing. This is slightly little angular, still not that smooth. Move. save. So teeth are kind of like, this is like almost done. The basic body, control D once. Let's set few details. PCB symmetry is on. Slightly push it down. You create the impression of like tightness. It's wrapped around the surface. Damn standard. So sometimes creating this kind of lines become a little difficult. So you can use lazy mouse in that case. Lazy mouse, just increase the radius. Reduce the brush. Create this, press 1, 1, 1, make it prominent. Want to repeat last command.
So only for lazy mouse or for every process?
Anything for any brush last stroke.
Okay, sir.
And eyelid, make it slightly prominent. Soften it. So make sure to add this like fold. This is like everybody have it, and no matter what kind of character it is, you have to do it. So make sure create this thing. Otherwise, no matter what you do, your character will look unnatural. So lips and all. Lazy mouse, like it's helpful if your brush strokes are not very like clean. So in that case, you can use lazy mouse always and make those lines very clean. It makes your life way easier. Labeled up. Make it little prominent. Damn standard. Now in this, I have like couple of very clean line. Like this, I can create things very easily, make it really pointed and sharp. going inside BMP. Because neck cannot be thin. Neck is fine. It means I have to push this thing outside. I am standard. I can go to lazy mouse. I can pick one only, normal. And start adding my details. And this neck.
Sir, is there,
Hmm?
sir, is there a way to avoid those dotted effect on lazy mouse?
Dotted effect. Where is dotted effect?
Sir, I was using it yesterday and dot 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 आ रहा था कोई भी brush use करने को.
तो बिल्कुल काम कर आराम से.
Okay, sir.
Maybe like check by accident you must have like ये lazy steps and all you modify कर दिया होगा.
Yes, sir.
हाँ तो उसको नहीं करना है, lazy radius को modify करना है.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now one thing I see that neck like this thing is a little broad and it connects somewhere here. So it's a little broader, so I have to make it a little broader. BSH snake hook. So now here, if I try to use move, it will affect all the nearby areas also. Either I can use move topology or snake hook to move it without affecting rest of the area. Slightly. It's visible.
So snake hook also you affects only one part of the
Like it's
geometry.
not one part. Basically, it's like little sharper. Like moves fall off is broad and lazy this snake hook fall off is smaller. So it affects only a small region.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So whenever you do this, now your
Sir,
neck.
but fall off तो manually adjust कर सकते
हाँ
हैं.
कर सकते हैं. So बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं. After moving, make sure neck, make it broad. Otherwise, proportionately it won't match. Neck will become flat otherwise, so slightly rounded. Okay. BTS stamp standard. Now you can start adding things.
सर ये आप और हायर सब डिविजन्स में क्यों नहीं करते हैं?
क्योंकि हायर सब डिविजन तो बाद में करेंगे, पहले बेसिक शेप बना लें उसके बाद. Like subdivision, increasing subdivision is just like control D. So उससे कुछ नहीं होगा, लेकिन कंट्रोल डी किया स्मूथ हो गया वो. तो ये स्मूथनेस करने की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं होगा. And then in higher subdivision, like more subdivision means more detail. So I can do it in low poly, then do it in low poly. Do not increase poly count unnecessarily until it's required, because it's not required here.
सर
Hmm.
सर आपने मॉडल चेक नहीं किया अभी तक.
Hmm. One second, see my file. So you can see it now. I can this low poly only. I haven't subdivided, but still you can see all the shapes. You can see it. So try to keep it as low as possible. Unnecessarily do not increase the poly count, and slowly I'll add everything. And you can see it's gradually I'm getting all the shape and details. Let's save it quickly.
Sir, तो इसका last में we'll subdivide this to get the smoothness.
If required, we'll definitely do it. That is
okay.
अभी तो required नहीं है उसका basic detail के बाद. Then I'll subdivide because there are a lot of details there. So वो उसको achieve करने के लिए subdivide करना पड़ेगा.
So but अभी भी तो थोड़े बहुत मतलब polygon, that poly look is coming थोड़ा थोड़ा.
हाँ तो उसके बाद still after subdividing you have to refine it.
Okay.
Okay, let's see files. Okay, sure. ये
हाँ,
ए
सर.
ए पोज में भी ठीक था, कोई इशू नहीं था उसमें. ए में ए और टी पोज ये दो, these two are standard, either A pose either T pose, any one of them.
Okay, sir.
तो उसमें भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं था. सो बाकी तो
सर वो पैर के नीचे वाला पोर्शन में सर वो इशू है, like it was a feet and I like just squeezed it in for now sake.
हाँ. So once you dynamic this will go.
Okay, sir.
Uh,
So is it okay if I
you
import
can
the
just import this into Max and create basic structure on it.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
सर बट अभी वो हाथ का प्रोपोर्शन इज इट प्रॉपर कैसे समझ में आएगा सर, लाइक रेफरेंस के हिसाब से?
So that's why like create measure it like proportion wise, body wise, like this hand length, like suppose like say
हाँ सर लाइक वैसे एक रफ मेजरमेंट रख के मैंने उसको ऐसा लाइक बनाया.
हाँ,
like
create
it
a
comes-
create a box, check the height and then rotate, and in your image check the length like till where, like this, like basic rough measurement is required. Okay, let's
Yes,
see. अभी मृदुल ने एक फाइल भेजा है. Okay, बहुत कुछ बना लिया इसमें तो. This base mesh is good, like almost all the loops are kind of correct only. I distort हो गया है, that is the, but otherwise let's see. Yeah, this mesh is good mesh. This is a good topology.
Sir, sir, in my like I took the जो zebra.
सर ब्लॉकिंग सही है क्या?
हाँ वही देख रहा हूँ वही कर वही देख रहा हूँ. So this is a reference. So ये ज्यादा वाइड हो गया ना ये स्कर्ट. अभी तो एडजस्ट करोगे ना, अभी तो वेस्ट के अकॉर्डिंग, अभी तो लग रहा है कि तो फ्लोट कर रहा है पूरा हवा में, थोड़ा और क्लोज आएगा ना. शेप ठीक चल रहा है. ये थोड़ा राउंड है.
ओके.
ये देखो रेफरेंस में ये राउंड है, ये एंगुलर हो गया है. एंड ऊपर वाले का शेप छोटा है एंड अंदर वाले का शेप बड़ा है, और ये बाहर फ्लोट कर रहा
सर
है.
रेफरेंस इमेज भी भेजा हो सर, एक बार देख लीजिए ना.
हाँ रेफरेंस में ये रहा ना.
ओके सर.
उसी से मैच कर रहा हूँ. तो उसी में जैसे ये तो सब प्लेसमेंट करोगे अभी, राइट?
हाँ सर.
ये तो प्लेसमेंट किया नहीं, क्योंकि अभी इसको अगर प्लेस करोगे तो ये देखो साइज बड़ा छोटा है, तो ये वाला मोर राउंड है, नीचे वाला बड़ा है, नीचे वाला कैन सी क्लियरली तो इनिशियली ब्लॉकिंग टाइम पे ही मेक श्योर द शेप एंड साइज आर सेम सिमिलर, देन यू कैन रिफाइन वेरी इजीली। लाइक सो उसको बात के लिए मत छोड़ना, ब्लॉकिंग टाइम पे ही वो बेसिक शेप्स एंड साइज करेक्ट करते हुए चलना,
जी ठीक है
तो
सर।
बाद में काफी इजी हो जाएगा काम।
Yes. सर वो हैंड का जो कट्स है वो सब कैसे देंगे?
कौन से कट्स?
जो हाथ टूटे हैं घोस्ट का वो।
मेश काटना पड़ेगा।
सर वो लाइव बुलियन करके कर सकते हैं ना?
लाइव बुलियन करके कर सकते हैं या फिर हाइड करके भी कर सकते हैं, जैसे शिफ्ट एफ किया मैंने, सी एंड टोपोलॉजी, उसमें कोई सब डिवीजन नहीं है। अब मेरे को नी के यहाँ पे ऊपर यहाँ पे कट है, तो कंट्रोल शिफ्ट ऑल्ट, मैं इसको लैसो से भी कर सकता हूँ, ओ सॉरी रेक्टेंगल लैसो से भी कर सकता हूँ, तो हाइड।
सर फिर इसको मुझे फिल करना रहा तो वो बोन्स के लिए?
हाँ तो उसके लिए बोन्स अलग से रखना, बोन जो है वो सेपरेट ज्योमेट्री है, सेपरेट ज्योमेट्री में आएगा। और ये वाला जो है इसको पहले डिलीट करेंगे, डिलीट हिडन क्लोज होल, तो क्लोज हो गई है।
ओके
एंड यहाँ पे एक सिलेंडर लगा के बोन बनाओ।
सर, नहीं तो वो एक्सक्लूड करके नहीं कर सकते क्या उसके
अब
अंदर?
उससे दिक्कत होगा।
ओके
हाई पॉली का बेसिक रूल ऑफ थंब है कि ट्राई टू कीप ईच एंड एवरी पार्ट सेपरेट, ट्राई नॉट टू एक्सट्रूड थिंग्स फ्रॉम वन मॉडल, सो उससे प्रॉब्लम होगा। तो जैसे तुम्हारे इसमें अगर मैं तुम्हें अगर जैसे ये बनाया है, इसमें जो गोल्ड ट्रिम है ये, तो
हाँ।
इसको तुमने इसको इसी से एक्सट्रूड किया है, राइट? बट टेक्निकली इसको अगर तुम सेपरेट रखोगे तो तुम्हें ज्यादा इजी होगा काम करना।
जैसे मैंने वो साइड के किए दोनों सब अलग अलग जो रखे शील्ड के आर्मर के।
ये
हाँ ये सब जी।
मतलब ये मैं इसकी बात नहीं कर रहा, व्हाट आई एम सेइंग कि साइड में जो गोल्ड ट्रिम है
हाँ 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 वो अलग रखो।
वो बॉर्डर भी अलग होना चाहिए, तो उससे काम करना इज वेरी इजी, इट बिकम्स रियली इजी टू कंट्रोल। अदरवाइज व्हाट हैपेंस कि वो सारा एक, व्हाट यू कैन डू, मर्ज द मॉडल, कीप ए सेपरेट पॉली ग्रुप, और फिर उसको कंट्रोल करना इजी होता है। मतलब इधर यू नीड टू हैव ए सिलेक्शन बेसिकली, उससे काम बहुत इजी हो जाता है।
ओके सर।
तो जितना अलग करो, जैसे इवन मेरे मॉडल में देखोगे मैं हर एक पार्ट को अलग अलग रख रहा हूँ। जैसे यहाँ पे मेरा कहाँ है, अरे ओ ये रहा। जैसे यहाँ पे मैंने ये जो डिजाइन बनाया है, तो मैंने ऊपर का लेयर भी अलग रखा है, नीचे का ये भी अलग रखा है, इसका भी अलग रखा है, सब हर चीज देखो मल्टीपल लेयर्स में किया है। इससे क्या होगा कि मेरे को किसी भी पार्ट पे एडिट करना है तो वो इजी हो जाएगा, आई डोंट हैव टू मॉडिफाई द एंटायर थिंग, ओनली उस डिजाइन को आकर मैं मॉडिफाई कर सकता हूँ। तो उससे काम इजी हो आता है, प्लस क्या बोलते हैं बेकिंग बहुत क्लीन आता है, बिकॉज एंड ऑफ द डे आवर होल आइडिया ऑफ हाइपॉली इज फॉर बेकिंग, right? So it's a baking, like once you bake it, it will give you very clean, neat and clean bake. And if I try to extrude this from this, what will happen, the edges hai, it will be little wobbly or not that clean or sharp, so it will create problem. So like whatever it is in high poly, it will reflect on your low poly, like texturing. So that's why you have to make sure everything is super clean, to try to keep all those trims like in your model, स्पेशली यहाँ पे जितना भी गोल्ड ट्रिम है ट्राई टू कीप इट सेपरेट, जितना भी लेदर वाला पार्ट है उसको वो सेपरेट, ये जो स्मॉल स्मॉल डॉट्स है वो सेपरेट, ये जो गोल्ड का ये है दिस इज आल्सो सेपरेट, ये कॉलर दिस थिंग सेपरेट, ट्रिम इज सेपरेट, कॉर्ड इज सेपरेट, लाइक बेसिकली एवरीथिंग सेपरेट। प्लस तुम्हारा ये जो क्रॉस थ्रेड है दिस इज आल्सो सेपरेट।
सो बेसिकली मुझे अलग अलग मटेरियल रखना है।
मटेरियल नहीं, मेश हाई पॉली में दैट ज्योमेट्री सपोज टू बी सेपरेट, एंटायरली सेपरेट ज्योमेट्री। तो जितना सेपरेशन करोगे उतना इजी हो काम करने में। रीजन लाइक सपोज यू हैव दिस फाइन डिजाइन हियर, राइट? if you use alpha and extract it from this model only, just simply use alpha and extrude this model here. So what will happen, like while creating texture you have to manually select this and create this selection. That will create problem. So if you keep it separate, I can make an ID map and generate it in one click.
Okay, sir.
So try to keep all the designs, everything separate. Okay.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, I've taken the base mesh from Zebra itself, the basic male base mesh. But उसमें सर fingers वगैरह का कोई डिटेल नहीं है, it's like plain, very plain.
हाँ that's fine, वो फिंगर्स हम बनाएंगे ऐसे भी।
Okay sir.
Hmm. Still सोनम का ये क्यों नहीं आ रहा है? Let's see. सभी है. I'll check this. Like अभी भी सोनम का नहीं आ रहा है. There's something issue. I'll check it. Okay, I have another class. I'll see you guys. And अपना file send करो. I'll check it. And जो भी होगा, I'll discuss that in class. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.